Nikki, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a unit that I ordered. I'm sure you can see by the title. It's by, I'm sure I'm going to say it wrong, but Ryu Hair. Yes, I ordered this from AliExpress on their 11/11 sale, so it's like November 11th sale, and they typically have things like a little low price, and so I ordered it because I was just like, I wanted they advertised it as like an asymmetrical bob where it was like long on one side and then like short on another, and I'm like, I've never had a unit like that. This unit, I can link it down below. It's amazing, right? I just literally plopped it on and went, but that's another video. They advertised it as an asymmetrical bob, so it was supposed to be long on one side and like, you know, a little short, and so all I expected to do was just trim it a little bit to make it frame and fit my face. No, that's not how it came. But if you order from direct from the wholesaler, not from like, you know, your cousin that sells hair, then you would know that typically when you get it from places like AliExpress or Amazon or whatever, the length is never the length that you're expecting to get. Like you can order a 12-inch, but you're gonna probably get like a 14-inch, and that's basically what happened. Ordered a 14-inch and I think I got a 16. So in the packaging I got an elastic band, but it fell out and I don't know where it's at, but I remember getting it, and that's all they gave me inside the box. And then I got the hair. Okay, so as you can see, this is the construction of the cap. So it's, you know, good. I love the way that it could possibly blend really good with my skin. I might not even have to do too much tinting of the lace, just more so like I'm definitely bleaching these knots. The hairline, don't really care for the hairline. It's very foxy, so to speak. It's not pre-plucked, so don't expect that you're gonna get this and just plop it on your head. Not an option. Well, it's an option if you rather walk around looking wiggy, okay? It comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb at the top, and a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So as you can see, it kind of has that shape in the back where it's kind of like bumped, but it's not that. So I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can with me bleaching the knots and doing all this. I'm trying to do this while my mom's taking care of the baby, so I don't know how much footage I'm gonna get, but obviously I will come back to give a review, and I will, you know, try to show me putting the wig on and putting it down, because I'm gonna glue it because I'm gonna wear it for Thanksgiving, because you know, gotta slay on Thanksgiving, girl. So yes, I'm going to wear it and install it Monday night. I'm telling you guys, like, you guys know what day it is. Come on, Nikki. So yes, so stay tuned. And before I get into everything that I'm doing, I want to make a disclaimer. First of all, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I drop a video, because we will be dropping those bangers back to back as much as possible. Because I ain't gonna lie and say we're gonna drop them back to back. No. It's gonna be as much as possible, okay? Because let's be real, we're a working family with 4 kids. We got real jobs. This ain't a job, okay? So I'm just going to be real. Yeah, my nails broke. Mind your business. Just mind your business. Me personally, my whole take on this is that we see these YouTubers putting on these wigs and they're just like slaying the hell out of these wigs, but then you go get it yourself and you're just like, yeah, this don't look like how it looked on, you know, say Dominique A. Like, I love her, okay? Like, so you're gonna, or Sweets and Cupcakes, or Cupcakes and Sweets, I forgot, she's bomb too. So you get these wigs and you put them on and then you're like, oh, this isn't how it looked on so-and-so, and then you just feel like you don't know what you're doing. No, you do know what you're doing. It's just that what works for them isn't going to work for you. And I'm just here to do the realistic version. If it's trial and error, if it comes out bomb as hell, then that's just what it is. But I'm sorry, my glasses are doing like a glare. I don't know what it is. But yes, I'm just going to be real with you guys. I'm not a professional. This is just what I do to get the wig on my head. I don't know how to do it for other people. Just like people don't know how to do makeup for other people, but they can slay their face. That's just how I do. Same with me. I can put makeup on, but I can do it on other people, but it ain't gonna be like, dang, all that. You can be cute, but it ain't gonna be like, you ain't gonna be looking like Beyonce when I'm done with you. So yes, I just wanted to throw a disclaimer out there because I don't want nobody looking like, oh, well, you did this wrong. I'm doing what works for me and what I've done previously. So if you're gonna be negative, you can keep the negative comments that way and keep it in your mind. Don't put it on my screen, okay? This is all positivity over here. I'm here to encourage other women like me who want to get into doing wigs, but just don't know what to do. I'm gonna try to tell you the best that I can. I'm gonna give you a real honest review because guess what? Ryu here ain't giving me coins for this video. I spent my own hard-earned money for this video, so trust me, you're going to get the real 100% opinion on this hair. They already have a con for me because the hair did not come in the bob. So now I gotta put my cutting skills to the test. I had to hit up my hairdresser to be like, can you give me some tips? Because I don't want to mess this up. I want my junk to be like, yes, I want that junk flowing. So she told me that she would do it for me, but our schedules did not coordinate. I wish it did. Because trust me, I would love for her to do it. But if you want to see how this wig turns out, or if you want to see little snippets of me dyeing the hair, not dyeing it, bleaching the knots and cutting it, stay tuned. These are the items that you're going to need. You can use 40 volume developer or 30 volume developer. I use 40 because it makes it go faster and I don't got time to wait. I got this big thing. I think I got it from my local hair city for $10. And I'm going to use this because I'm not about to waste a really good bowl, but I couldn't find my salon mixing thing. And then of course, they call it a perm brush. So this is what you need to bleach. So I just mixed it, and this is the consistency you want it to be. Kind of like pancake batter, so to speak. You don't want it to be runny. You want to be able to do that and it doesn't come off. So I'll come back when I have it all on the hair and, well, the lace, and so I'll be back. This is how I have the wig on the hair stand. Yeah, ignore my little ghetto, it just doesn't stay. So I basically wet the hairs underneath and brushed it back so that I could lay this down flat. So that way it doesn't like really seep, go through. So I have it all, ready to go. Then I'm gonna just lightly, put it on there. I'm not gonna do too much, I'm not gonna do too little. But hopefully when I pluck these babies, do you see the hairline, how I'm saying it's really boxy? So once I pluck this baby, we're gonna hope that this joke will be looking like it's mine, okay? Okay. I'll be back when I have the bleach. I made it a little thicker because I noticed that, as you can see, the sides look a little runny a little bit. So I thickened it up to make it more of a paste. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to put some foil on top and probably let it sit for like 15 minutes since I used 40 developer. And then we'll be back. Now, you guys are gonna see what I mean by this is a realistic video. So as you can see, this side, knots are bleached perfectly. Like, look at that. You can see right through it perfectly, right? And the side where I said it was a little runny, as you can see, it's a little brassy and there's some blonde spots in there. See how the bleach ran through? And I could just let it be because this is the side that's gonna have the long, no, actually this is the other side. So I do need to actually fix this because this is the side that, is gonna basically supposed to be looking like my scalp, because it's going to be parted over here. So what I'm going to do to correct it, oh, that's so ugly focused. What I'm going to do to correct it is I have this stuff. It is semi-permanent hair dye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of darken it and kind of tint, quote unquote, tint the lace so that I can go into the hair a little bit, and we'll see how that corrects it. I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back and I am here to do my review on this hair. As you can see, it is installed. Yes. Let me give you a close-up because that's what these YouTubers don't do, is they don't give you a close-up, so you can't really see what's going on. So, I mean, I did an okay job. I tried to, I'm not like the best cutter, but I did what I can. I mean, it's cute, right? So, about this hair, it's very like soft. It doesn't smell. I actually really like this hair. This is my second day having it in, and it feels really good. What I did was I messed up by tinting. I was trying to fix the over bleach knots that I had, and I tinted the lace, so the lace is like a little darker than my skin, but it's still, I give this hair thumbs up. I will obviously come back with a 1 month update. This is just kind of like a first impression. I will come back with a 1 month update because that's when you really get to know the hair, is after you wear it for like a month. Because you can't, I mean, when you first put it on, it's whatever. Yes, so I give this hair thumbs up. I rate it right now at 8 out of 10. The lace was like a little bit ashy-ish, but not too ashy. Nothing that a little makeup can't fix, basically. And what I did, I don't know how to do baby hair, but what I did was I used some of the ORS olive oil Fix It. Yes, this is supposed to be the new holy grail. And let me tell you, it ain't leave a flake, honey. No flakes. They said there was no flakes, and I literally did the baby hair, messed up, brushed it back, no flakes. Where they do that at? Okay? Because that got to be, that junk would have flaked within moments. But yes, so I definitely give this hair a 8 out of 10. I will be back with a 1 month update. Obviously I'm not going to wear it for a full month, but I am going to switch it up, here and there. But yes, the link to this hair, the exact hair that I got, is down below. I did get a 14-inch, but if you want this style, I do recommend getting either a 12-inch or a 10-inch if you don't want like the crazy dramatic, bang. But I do love that I could just do this. Yes. And literally, like, do you see that? Like, that's what I want. So I do have to go in and cut a little bit because this is the look that I want. Like, oh, love it. But yes, I definitely love how this came out. Like I said, I am a beginner at this. I'm not really like a beginner, kind of intermediate. I'm still doing trial and error. So I'm at the point of what comes out of this comes out of it, So thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, ask them down below and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. Please subscribe. I will be coming back with another hair review on 2 wigs that I ordered from Sam's Beauty. I'll probably do them separately, obviously gotta get the content up, but yes, I will be back. Let me know what certain things you guys want to see me do, certain wigs you want to see me try, and I'll review them because I'm gonna be honest, because at the end of the day, this is my hard-earned money and these companies aren't sponsoring me. So definitely let me know what you guys want me to review so I can give you guys a realistic review on these hair. But yes, thank you so much for watching and make sure you subscribe. Let me do the dramatic YouTuber thing.